Welcome again to Julia vs Python programming tutorials. Today we're learning about loops, for loops. So we learn how to do for loops in Julia and then in Python. To start, we have to understand something called range. So something like range 10 is going to start from 0 to 10. This number you enter here is going to be the ending number or the stopping number, because in most of the programming language start from 0. But in Julia, so if I do range, let's say 100, it's going to start from 0 to 999, but this is going to be the last number, so it's not going to print this number. We'll be checking how it is done. In Julia, you can also do something like range 0 is to 10, and it's going to print it for you. So this is actually how it is done. In Julia, we start from 1, so it's going to start from 0, then it's going to end at this 10. So this how it's going to look like. Or you can't do something like this in Julia. You cannot do this in Julia. It's not going to work. But you can do collect. You can only do collect. So see, it gave me an error. You can only do collect. Collect is just going to be like the same thing. Collect is used to build an array from a list or something like that. Yeah. So this is going to give you just like how it's going to give me from 0 to 9. See, this is how it's going to be. So this collect is going to work for you perfectly in Julia. So let's see how we iterate. In Julia, in Python, you can do for I. In this I can be any number, so it can be X or it can be J. In, let's say, range 10, then you bring this, then you have to check the indenting. Otherwise it's not going to work. Print J. It's going to start from 0 and going to end at 9, because the last number, this is going to be the stopping point, and it's supposed to be 10 different digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that is how the range is. So that is how it is done in Python. In Juliet, you can also do something similar. You can do it like when you enter something like this is to 10. This is how it's supposed to be done. So when you are doing it, you can use this one for several factors. If you are iterating, you can do it for I in range 1 is to 10. This is going to work. You don't bring any semicolon. In Julia, you don't do this. So you start with like print, checking the indenting, print line I, then you bring the end. So it's going to print from 1 to 10, because that is it's starting from 1 instead of the 0. This is how it is. It's going to print everything for you. Or you can do it like, instead of you using this range like this, you can use this formula that it gives to you. So you can do it for I in 1 is to 10. Then you print line, and it's going to give you the same thing like this one. Or you can also do it like for, let me clear it so that you can see it well. I also do it like for I, instead of in, I can make it is equal to, which is quite nice. For Julia, print the print line I and then n. See, it's going to give you the same thing. So there are 3 formats you can do it. You can do it like this, you can do it like equal to, or in, or the range format. So that is for Julia for you. Python to you, this is how it's done, as we have already taught. So let's use something different so that you to see the essence of it. Okay, so let's see something. Let's use a list of something. So let's say food is equal to, very hungry. Okay, so let's say rice. Let's say another food like yam. I don't know, I hope most people don't know lamb. Yeah, let me use potato, food that everybody knows. potato. Let's use another food like fufu, which is it's a local dish. And then there's another food called bosh, very nice. It's like soup. So this is it. So for the purpose of, in this case, if you want to bring each and every of these objects out, you can use the for loop. So for I, or you can make it for dish in food. Then you indent it, checking the indenting, print dish. You can do it like print something like this. Then bring comma is a local dish. So you close it. So it's going to print the rice is a local dish, potato is a local dish, fufu is a local dish, wash is a local dish. So that is one of the purpose, one of the usage of the for loops, to be able to use it to iterate and make all of them. You can also do the same thing for Julia. Food is equal to, let's say, rice. Because of time, you'll be rushing them. Say another one is potato. Let's make it just the two of them because of time. So it's going to print it for you because Julia is very informative. So let's say for dish in food, don't bring the semicolon, you bring it, that is Python, it's wrong, so you have to bring it print line. Let's go to dish, and then you bring the end. So rice, potato, just like what is inside it. So that is for the for loops for you, and that is what you are going to be doing today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, I want you to, if you enjoyed this, I want you to share with your friends, and then if you have any comments or questions, you can put it in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and then stay blessed.